Hello. Yeah, I guess she likes it. Yes. Happy Wednesday. You know, I'm going out to the supermarket, okay, from my walk, because DIY Wednesday is all about my cats. So I'm gonna find something there that I can make toys for my cat, upgrade their toys and whatever. So enjoy the video. Maybe I should get this. How do I break that? So I'm gonna make some cat toys, DIY cat toys for my cats, of course, and I'm gonna fix this. This is Chica's favorite toys and it's all ripped up, so poor girl. Maybe I'll find some other things that I can transform into cat toys. So let's see. You might have seen this box around here in a couple of my videos. This is actually Chica's scratch pad or scratch board. So she likes to go inside there and scratch her life away. This cat tower stands out like a sore thumb because it doesn't go with the theme in the house. There's baby blue. The gray is fine, but the blue is not for me. So I'm gonna cover it up with something. First, we have our coffee. So I'll be making several toys. I found some paper here. These are pipe cleaners. And I've got some washi tapes, toilet paper rolls, and I've got this from their old toy. So what I'm gonna start with is this one. And I'm gonna fix this too. So let's crumple this up. I think it's too big. Crumple this up. That's it. Next, do it with this. So let's just cut some strips. This. Next are the pipe cleaners. So it's a little sharp at the end. We don't want to hurt our kitties, so we try to bend it first, both ends, and then we do this. I saw all this under some YouTube channel. I think that was Lady Katie. If I find her website, I'll link it down below. Now, we've got another toy. More one. Let's do red this time. For the final toy, Chica, Millie? Millie? You like it, Chica? This one. This one, Chica, Chica. How about this one? Chica. No? Here you go. Fail. Okay, this one. This one. Play with your balls. Okay, this one. Oh, so I guess this is your favorite. I guess she's happy with her new toys. With their new toys. Millie right here is so indifferent. You don't want to play? Old lady? You don't want to play anymore? Huh? We've got new toys. No? Okay, fine. I'll let you be. Millie, you got new toys. You want to play with them? This one, we are changing it to a smaller box. And then I got some contact paper. I'm gonna cover this box. So Chica has a more elegant scratch box. Just like that, Chica has her new scratch box, which looks more elegant now. I've cut up the old box, so I'll have some refill for her to scratch inside. Okay, let's try this out. Chica, go in there. Come, go in there. Is it okay? You like it? Approved? You like it there? Yeah, I guess she likes it. Yes! So let's do this. What I'm gonna use to change or cover up this blue part, of course I have to clean this first, is some glue gun. I hope it sticks. I'm gonna use this gray towel. I can't find any black towels, so this would do. And of course some scissors. I'm just gonna cut out this towel and eyeball the measurements of these blue parts. So let's see. I did it. And Millie is now enjoying it. I think the color suits better in my house. You like it, Millie? Yay! Okay guys, so that's it for my DIY Wednesday this week. It's all about my cats this week. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye. You happy with it, Chica? So this was a success.